Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two powerhouse platforms. Whether you're managing complex projects, organizing your team, or keeping track of your next big idea, both tools offer tons of features. But a big question remains: which one is the perfect fit for your workflow? Is it Airtable or Clickup? So stick around because we will be diving into the key differences from customization to task management and collaboration. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs best. So let's begin. Let's start with Airtable. It is a cloud-based collaboration platform that combines the functionality of a spreadsheet with a database. Now, it allows users to create and manage databases with an easy-to-use, visually appealing interface. Now, if you are a fan of deep laughs, or if you are new to our channel, we have covered Airtable so many times here in our channel that you might want to check out. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications from our latest content because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. Now, when you hover to the Airtable website, just go to www.airtable.com. Signing up for an account is a breeze because all they have to do once you click this button right here, just follow the on-screen instructions. You can continue signing in with your business or personal email address, or you can use your Google. Once you've done that, you're gonna be welcome with a clean user interface wherein you can create tables with different fields. You can start from scratch. You can rename this and you can customize all the dashboard of your liking, all right? When creating tables, again, when you click on the plus button here, you have all these fields: single line text, checkbox, multi-effect, multiple select, single select, and a lot more. Now, in terms of the view, you can have your data viewed in various formats such as grid, calendar, Kanban, timeline list, Gantt, and a lot more. All right. Now, Airtable offers one of the best seamless integrations with various apps. When you go to the integrations, as you can see, these are going to be your popular tools that you can use. You have a Dropbox, Google Drive, or the Google Workspaces, Jira, Miro, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Slack, Tableau, and a lot more. All right? It also has the powerful API capabilities that allows developers to integrate Airtable with other platforms and custom workflows. It's a very easy thing to do. And as you can see from here, you can simply go to the home button to start creating your first workspace or your dashboard. So we have covered Airtable. You might want to check that out. I'm going to focus more on Clickup. Now, Clickup is a comprehensive project management and productivity tool designed for teams and individuals to manage tasks, workflows, and collaboration. It provides a highly customizable workspace and offers various tools to track progress, assign tasks, and communicate with team members. Matter of fact, we have covered so many Clickup topics here in our channel that you might want to check out. So we have quite of a handful experience using both of these platforms. Now, as you can see, when you hover to the sign up page, similarly to Airtable, signing up here is a breeze. It's really easy to follow. And once you have successfully created your account, you can easily create a customizable workspace. For example, I'm going to be creating a new workspace here. I'm hitting continue, and of course you have all these default views to start. I'm gonna use the default views for now. All right, and I'm click on done. Create space, and you would be welcome here to the dashboard wherein you have the project management, goal tracking, document management, time tracking, and team communication all in one platform, reducing the need for multiple apps. You see, you can create a new view. You have the list, Gantt, calendar, doc, board, table, and a lot more. And of course, from here, you can create your new task. Right here, you can put in the task name, enter, You can put in some subcommand and click that. And from here, you can view tasks in variety of formats. And of course, you can customize all of it. You have all this fields, subtasks, and checklist. If you wanted to attach some information here, you are welcome to do so. Now, teams can collaborate on this specific task. You can put in assignee right here. You can put in a comment here in the section. For example, that. You can attach some files. As you can see, you can share this specific task to your collaborators or within your team members or your clients, making it easy for tracking progress and objectives, making the long-term goals easier and efficient. All right. In terms of the automation right here, when you hover to the upper right corner, go to the App Center. Now, you may notice that Clickup integrates with a wide range of third-party apps like so many: Dropbox, Figma, GitHub, Google Workspaces, Zapier, Discord, Confluence, Figma, and a lot more, providing flexibility to users. All right. Now, the big question is, which one is the best project management tools for you? Is it going to be Airtable or Clickup? Now, having a handful experience using both of these platforms, we can suggest that if your primary focus is organizing and managing data and you need a flexible, visually intuitive way to structure information, Airtable is the best choice for you because it's excellent for building databases and tracking large amounts of information. Now, if your primary need is a robust task and project management with built-in team communication, time tracking, and workflow automation, we suggest ClickUp is the better suited for complex project management and, of course, teams needing a single workspace with multiple tools. Now, if you go to the pricing here on the top right corner, you can see that ClickUp also offers a free plan with many features, and the paid plan starts at $7 per month, all right, which is best for small teams. Its pricing is generally considered more affordable for teams seeking project management capabilities. And of course, you can compare that to the business, best for mid-sized teams, $12 for that. And enterprise, which is best for many large teams, which is if you are scaling up. If we hover to the Airtable and go to the pricing for comparison, you would notice that Airtable has a free plan with basic features and a paid plan that scales based on the number of users. They have a team, which is good for building apps to collaborate on shared workflows. That's going to be $20 per month. And of course, they have the business and enterprise skill, which you need some demo or schedule a meeting with one of their sales professional. And ultimately, choosing between the two depends on your goals, needs, and budget. I hope this could help narrow down which would be better for you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.